All right, guys, listen, this is a blues riff from B. Watch me for the changes and try and keep up, okay? Little girl, stop. Look, I need to borrow your hoverboard.
Really?
Dedicated to Hill Valley's #1 citizen and America's greatest living folk hero.
Ooh. Really?
No, this can't be happening. March 15th, 1973. No! Oh, please, God, no!
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
5 minutes later.
Creepy old guy.
I'm a creepy old guy!
My creepy old guy. My creepy old guy.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No.
On me! Hello? Hey, what's up? I need your help. Can you come here? I can't. I'm buying clothes. Alright, well, hurry up and come over here. I can't find them. What do you mean you can't find them? I can't find them. There's only soup. What do you mean there's only soup? It means there's only soup. Well, then get out of the soup aisle! Alright, you don't have to shout at me! There's more soup! What do you mean there's more soup? There's just more soup! Go into the next aisle! There's still soup! Where are you right now? I'm at soup! What do you mean you're at soup? I mean I'm at soup! What store are you in? I'm at the soup store! Why are you buying clothes at the soup store? Fuck you!